This is AI Radio News reporting. Special Counsel Jack Smith and his team plan to step down before President-elect Donald Trump assumes office, according to a source familiar with the matter. Smith's office has been reviewing ways to wind down its work on the two federal criminal cases against Trump, as the Department of Justice, DOJ, holds a long-standing position that a sitting president cannot be criminally charged. A significant question looming in the weeks before Inauguration Day is whether Smith's final report detailing his charging decisions will be released to the public. Under DOJ regulations, the special counsel is required to submit a confidential report to Attorney General Merrick Garland, who has the discretion to make it public. In a late October radio interview, Trump had stated his intention to immediately fire Smith if re-elected, saying, "It's so easy. I would fire him within 2 seconds," and claiming immunity provided by the Supreme Court. The final decision to release Smith's report may rest with the next Attorney General, who could choose to withhold it. Leading up to last week's election, Smith and his team were actively pursuing their case against Trump for election interference. However, after Trump's victory, a federal judge allowed the special counsel's office until December 2nd to determine how to proceed. Trump was initially indicted by the DOJ last year on charges of attempting to overturn the 2020 election, but the case faced delays due to appeals from Trump's legal team and a July Supreme Court ruling that granted immunity for some actions taken during his presidency. In August, Smith's team adjusted the indictment, omitting certain evidence deemed inadmissible by the High Court, leading to a superseding indictment from a federal grand jury. Separately, the DOJ had charged Trump in Florida for allegedly retaining classified documents after leaving office and refusing to return them. A federal judge dismissed this case in July, declaring Smith's appointment illegal, though the case is currently on appeal. Smith originally intended to expedite the trial, but Trump's legal team successfully delayed proceedings in both cases, with Trump publicly criticizing Smith at rallies and on social media. The Washington election interference case focuses specifically on Trump, though questions remain about whether any unnamed co-conspirators listed in the indictments could face legal consequences. There is no DOJ policy that prevents alleged criminal conspirators from prosecution, simply due to their association with an incoming president or because of the potential for a presidential pardon. Stay tuned for more on this story and subscribe.